Right guys, welcome to Dojo's Allotment Specialist. Going to do something a little different today. I'm going to do a potato reveal from the polytunnel, and then we'll have a look what's happening around the allotment afterwards. So let's turn you around guys and see what we've got. So there we are guys, where the potatoes are. So just try and find somehow to hold my camera up. Not quite sure on this one, but anyway, let's do it like this. Let's find where they are. Pull some of these off. There we go, got some potatoes on that one. Oh, that's the seed potato there. Looks like I've planted a mixed thing. I thought I planted them all the same. But there we go. Not too bad. Can't grumble at them. That's just a seed potato on the end of that one. So what I'll do guys, I'll peel, pull the rest out, and I'll come back to you and show you the end produce. Catch you in a bit. Guys, welcome back. Well, I've just pulled the potatoes from that row here, what I had in here. Sideboards have fell on, so I've got to mend that, put that. Well, this is what we got out of it. One full row, half a bucket. As you can see, it's a very big bucket. So yeah, quite impressed with that one row. Very good sized ones in there. So that was one full row of potatoes. Some stray red ones, little tiny ones, what was in there. Well, yeah, quite chuffed about that. So what I'm going to do next, maybe next time I'm off or sometime today, I'm not sure yet, is make this level, give it some feed, and I think these tomato plants what are in these will go in there. And I found a stray tomato plant hiding in between the potatoes. So it looks a bit leggy, but if I plant it deeper it should be alright. So yeah, quite proud of that. So I'll just sort some bits out in here and then show you what's going on around the rest of the allotment. Catch you in a minute. Hi guys, well, planted the tomatoes along there. They're in there now. You can see the parsnips a bit better now. Look all tops, but I don't know if there's anything down below. Let's have a dig about, see if there's anything at the bottom. Oh yeah, there's. I don't know if you can see. You can just see in there, just a white bit. So that's good then. The tomatoes are looking well. I've got some tomatoes growing on it. I've just pinched out all the side shoots on most of them. The cucumber, that's looking well. Tomatoes on here, some of them are just turning. I've just spinned out the peas because some of them were dead, but some of them have got new flowers growing on, and that's all good there. Oh, nearly fell. Carrots here doing well. I've got some nice carrots in there. So trim back some of the dead plants what was growing. That's gives the rest a bit of a good chance. These are growing tall. These need sorting out and staking up because that one keeps falling over. Yeah, so we're looking good. Looking good. Sorted out some bits over on the allotment. What I thought was cabbages are actually all sprouts. So take you over here and give you a look. The tatings, they're ready to be dug out at some point. I'll get round to it. Flowers, there's still some blue ones and some carnations. Cosmos, finally coming to flower. Yeah, so these are sprouts. I've just done some weeding round, took the netting off because it was growing too big. Yeah, it's all good. Some weeding round there, as you can tell. Everything's looking good, chickens are well. I just put them into the small coop because I'll be going home soon. So yeah, we're looking good here, guys. Well, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit that bell, and leave a comment. Do it the right way. And until next time, ciao for now.